Find a neutral spine position. We're all gonna come onto our fists. So hopefully you can judge how those wrists felt now. All right, because we are gonna come back to that. And we're gonna just do some glenohumeral rotations. If you have nails, you might want to angle the nails up so that they're not pushing into your fist. Oh, we have a visitor. And now we're gonna go ahead and on an inhale, we're going to internally rotate, rotating right underneath your shoulders. Okay, got a little interrupted there. So we're gonna internally rotate the shoulder joint without changing the scapula as far as you can, keeping them directly below your shoulder joint, plumb line. Go as far as you can. Now, staying in internal rotation, you're gonna squeeze the scapula up towards your ears, up and back. Now pull back, don't just fall down. Back and down. Go slow so you can really feel everything that's working. Down and forward. Forward and up. When you get to your ears, go ahead and reverse. Really try to feel what's moving these guys around. All the while you're holding internal rotation. You're just giving your scapula different input just because your shoulder joint's in a different position. And pull it down. We're going to do the same thing by externally rotating as far as you can first. Doesn't have to be the same, okay? Because I know one arm is not the same as the other. And then squeeze up towards your ears. Up and back. Back and down. Ooh, yeah. Down and forward. Forward and up. Try not to move the spine too much. Up and forward. Forward and down. Again, feel what's moving these guys around. When you get up to your ears, come back down, internally rotate. Go as far as you can. Really feel this inner joint stuff working. And scapula up. Up and back. Now because the spine moves, because your arms are locked in, it doesn't mean that we got a lot of spine movement, okay? Really try to minimize it. It only happens because it has to, because the scapula is pulling or pushing, and externally rotate. Go as far as you can. I find that my rotation actually starts to improve as I do these. Up, up and back, back and down, down and forward, forward and up, reverse, up and forward, forward and down, down and back, back and up. One more set. Internally rotate. Just doing rotations like this is super nice. I just thought, why not do some scap cars? More input, more control, more stuff to work with. And reverse. And down. Last one, externally rotate. Rotate as far as you can before you go. Oh, now I'm even. Up, up and back. Back and down. Down and forward. Forward and up. Again, on this last set, really feel what is moving this stuff around. And pull it down. All right, good.